Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Growth and development. Growth. It is a process in which there is increasing in size by cell division and enlargement accompanied by the formation of new cellular material. It results in the irreversible increase in size, length, area or volume accompanied by increase in dry weight. In living beings, growth is internal or intrinsic in contrast to extrinsic growth observed in some non-living objects. Irreversible growth is a quantitative phenomenon which can be measured in relation to time. Development can be defined as a process in which there is sequence of qualitative changes towards a higher or more complex state. It includes all the changes an organism undergoes from the time of birth to death. In development, plant shows a regular sequence of seed germination, growth, differentiation, maturation, seed formation and senescence. Seed dormancy. It is the internal inhibition of germination of an otherwise viable seed even when it is placed in most favorable external conditions. Non-germination of a viable seed due to non-availability of proper environmental conditions is called quiescence. Reasons. Egg. Impermeable seed coats be impermeable to water. Egg. Chenopodium. Or chemicals e.g. xanthium. Though. Tough seed coats e.g. Capsella. Lepidium. Teen. Inhibitors ferulic acid present in tomara juice. 4. Excess salts cause dormancy in seeds. A triplex patch. After ripening, the embryo is immature, but seed required a period of dry storage for gaining ability to germinate. E.g. oat, barley. Chair. Immature embryo in Eranthis helimalis. The embryo is immature. Natural breaking of dormancy. 1. Certain small seeds regularly pass through the alimentary canals of animals when digestive enzymes make their seed coats soft and permeable. 2. Weakening of impermeable and tough seed coats by Chair. Development of growth hormones. Cytokine and gibberellin, auxin. Artificial breaking of seed dormancy. Mechanical scarification, rupturing of seed coats by filling, chipping or machine freezing. Chilling treatment or starification e.g. peach, plum, cherry. Chair.